Hi there, I'm Gauravi Jadhav, a business and money energy coach. And if you've been following the series of audios that I've been sharing to master your consultation calls and high ticket sales, welcome. And if you've not seen, please go to the PDF in which I have shared the video links of the same and access them also. This audio is specifically designed for post sales call. So you've done all the preparation, you've been listening to the audio every day and getting your energy up for high ticket sales. Before the call, also, you heard the audio and you raised your energy. Now, maybe in the call, your client said yes, or the client said no, or the client didn't say anything. Whatever is the outcome of the call, remember that you are the government in your business. You are the one who's the CEO, the in charge, and you get to choose how you think and feel about it. And which is why, post the sales call, how we calibrate our energy is just as important. And which is why this audio. So make sure that you're not driving or you're not doing any other task along with this. You're simply taking out the next 5 to 6 minutes, totally being with yourself after your sales call, and use this to calibrate your energy. Maybe you might feel rejection. Maybe you might be feeling a little low. Know that following a process like this, where you allow your energy to be heightened, allows you to continue to take action and face any emotion that comes in the process and let go of the energy that you do not want to continue on later on after you have finished the call. So make sure that you're listening to this. There is the script also attached in the PDF that I have shared. You can record it in your own voice and also practice this. For now, if you're continuing on listening to me, take in a deep breath. I know the call has happened, and whatever has happened in the call, it's now time to leave all of that energy in the call and recalibrate our energy. Breathe in and breathe out with longer exhalation. Breathe in and breathe out. Take a deep breath in and exhale fully. And I want you to say and listen to these sentences as if you are saying to yourself, you did a great job. I did the most fantastic call ever. It was the best clarity call. The call is complete. The sales call is done. The consultation and the value that I have given, I am totally proud of it. The energy is sealed and complete. I totally release whatever came out of the call right now. I release it now. I release it now. I did not lose anything. I only expanded. I only deepened my field. Whether the client said yes or no, I know I planted a seed today. I know I spoke truth. I know my energy was felt, and it will remain with the client for a very, very long time. I remind myself, I am not defined by outcomes. I am not defined by yes or no. I am defined by my power, my presence, my energy. I am defined by my power, my presence, my energy. Money flows to me in infinite ways. Clients flow to me in divine timing. I never need to cling. I never need to chase. I never need to collapse. Every call is a rehearsal for wealth. Every conversation expands my receiving field. Every interaction strengthens my authority. I give thanks to the soul I just met. I give thanks to myself for showing up fully. And I release them now with love, with grace, with trust. I call in my true clients. I call in the ones ready to pay me high ticket. I call in the ones who tremble but still say yes. I call in the ones who recognize me instantly. I affirm I am magnetic, I am worthy, I am abundant, I am a crore coach. I smile knowing that my next yes is already on its way. Every client is a yes in time and space. Every client, every person who comes into my energy is already a yes across timelines that I'm yet to meet. I step into my highest healed version. I step into the power that I am here to be. I am the most amazing coach. And so it is. And so it is. Abundance codes activated now. Abundance codes activated now. Abundance codes activated now.